how do you start an affiliate marketing business online from absolute scratch? Let's say you're starting out, you're just searching around YouTube, which is why you probably found this video. You're trying to figure out what am I supposed to be doing with my life, and you want to make an extra income on the side, but you don't really know where to begin. So you start digging into things like affiliate marketing, right? So you're trying to figure out, okay, so is there a way for me to make some extra money without creating my own products or researching, like different kinds of like drop shipping stuff, especially if you're not much into e-commerce. So my name is Jelena Ostrovska from JelenaOstrovska.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can start your affiliate marketing business if you are just a beginner, and I will share with you the tools that I've been personally using and different affiliate marketing platforms that I have been utilizing inside of my business to bring in more cash flow that covers different expenses like advertising, different tools and things like that. So the first thing is the obvious one, okay? So you need to have a laptop or a computer or a phone, okay? So that's where we as entrepreneurs, I feel like we're getting the majority of our work done. In my case, it's actually probably a lot more from the phone than from computer. From computer, I'm getting some admin tasks done and different like video editing and all kinds of different stuff, but the majority of the work is being done from the phone. Like, let me know into the comments if that's you, because I feel like these days phones have become so much faster at getting stuff done even than computers, okay? So that's where obviously all your work is going to be done. So I know some entrepreneurs that did not have a computer when they first started out in affiliate marketing or in something else, so they literally have just been doing everything from their smartphones. But I do recommend getting a computer, and I'll explain to you why that is going to be important. So if you don't have a laptop, that's your first step, okay? So step number 2 is you need to figure out what it is that you want to sell. So figure out what is the niche, okay? So what are you passionate about, okay? So do you want to just sell whatever you're using? Do you want to start with something like Amazon affiliate and start creating videos? But keep in mind that that's going to take you a long time, right? So that's going to take you some time, to create, the videos, to review different products, review, I don't know, like maybe we're going to review like microphones or something like that, right? Or I don't know, different headphones or whatever else, right? So figure out, what is the niche. And maybe you're going to go into health and wellness, right? So maybe you're going to go into maybe it's going to be even a network marketing company. You're just going to use the products and then promote them as an affiliate, right? So maybe you don't even want to build a network marketing team or anything like that. You can still treat, in my personal opinion, I feel like you can treat network marketing a lot of the times like affiliate marketing, okay? So you just bring in the customers, you share the product that you're using that is getting you results, and that's about it, right? So, maybe you're going to be a makeup guru, right? So maybe you're a woman and you're just like, Jelena, I like your makeup, right? Something like that. So I probably would be promoting makeup if I wasn't already building, like my coaching business and network marketing and everything else. I probably would go into makeup. Like, I'll probably start doing different tutorials. I probably would build up an Instagram page with, millions of followers and all that good stuff. I really do. I've seen myself doing that kind of stuff, but then it's really hard to transition from being an entrepreneur and business owner than just transition to like, hey, I'm going to be doing makeup videos here. So, but you can become a Sephora affiliate. I think you can become an affiliate at Ulta, and just start creating different videos, right? So start a YouTube channel, start doing little tutorials. I feel like there's still a market for that. There's so many different bloggers and YouTubers and models and Instagram models and all of that stuff, but there is only one of you, so you may as well take advantage of that, right? So bring your unique value to the table if you're going to be a makeup guru. Okay, so in my case, like, I want to be known as an entrepreneur, okay? So that has been always, kind of like, I guess, my dream ever since I entered, the online marketing arena, right? So, and I started, promoting other different, other tools. One of my favorite affiliate programs is ClickFunnels, and MLSP. Okay, so those are like, the two of the main ones that I'm personally promoting. I'm going to drop the links for those below so you can take test drives of either one of them or both of them. So ClickFunnels is basically a software company, because once you start building your business, you're going to have to need the tools, right? So you're going to have to create funnels, you're going to have to create landing pages, thank you pages. You're gonna have to build your email list. I mean, I highly recommend that, regardless what kind of business model you're gonna choose. Regardless of what kind of niche you're going to be in, you have to build your email list, okay? So you have to build that on top of your social media platforms, on top of your social media following, because you never know what's going to happen with that. So I personally promote, ClickFunnels. They have 40% commissions. I'm gonna link that down below. You can take your 14-day trial, and I use it as a marketer, right? So I create funnels within ClickFunnels. My Lead System Pro is another affiliate program. They have really good affiliate commissions. There's a huge infrastructure inside of the company. So I've seen it all like from the inside out, like I've seen how they've been building that out over the last couple of years. So it's a training platform. It's a toolkit, basically all in one platform, where you can create your own courses, where you can build out your own funnels. You can have your own website. You get access to trainings and community and events, all kinds of fun stuff. So I feel like it's a really good way for you to get started as well, promoting an affiliate marketing system and showing people how they can leverage all the online tools and the internet. So you can use let's say once you start using the tools like Aweber or GetResponse, you start building your email list. I always say you might as well get your tools for free, right? So what's the point of just using them and not really promoting them? I mean, if you really like something, if it's helpful, then go ahead and spread the word, okay? So do a YouTube video, do a review, share your experience, and start sharing this with other people. So that's really the basic of affiliate marketing. So I highly encourage you to do something like that. So, and last but not least, you do need to make sure that once you start promoting, affiliate marketing tools, or you start, using different kinds of products, whether you're going to go into like ClickBank or JVZoo, do your own due diligence and figure out what are the good products, so you can distinguish what's really worth promoting and what's not. Because there's a lot of scammy products, in my opinion, that you don't even want to touch. Like, you don't even want to come close to them. So, and then you figure that out, and then you need to put together a strategy, okay? So you need to always be building your audience, no matter what platform you're going to go with. You always have to be creating content for that audience, and you always have to be, communicating with them, and you always have to be selling, right? So, because selling is serving, okay? So you're serving your audience in the best way possible. You're sharing with them the tools that are helping you, that can help them. So, and that's pretty much what I'm doing in this video. You can see it firsthand. So I shared with you something that has been working for me really well, and I shared with you the tools, the resources that I have been using to utilize to build my business. So, and you can check all of them out below in the description. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell sign to get notified whenever I go live or publish new content, so which is every single week. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.